So probably one of the most forgotten about crowds in the Pontiac group is the Turbo Trans Am guys. I mean, the 301 itself gets no love, let alone the guys with turbos on them. So there's a few places you can really go for this, but the main place is going to be TTA Performance in Kenosha, Wisconsin. Luckily, he also has a YouTube channel, so if you want to check out one of his videos, stick around.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the TTA Performance YouTube channel. Jump right into it. This is my 81 Turbo Trans Am. Well, let's just dive in right under the hood. Why don't we do that? I have this low mileage 81 engine sitting that I purchased. It was sitting on the stand and I went through it. One of the things I did was I added ring gap to it. I put my modified Felpro head gaskets that I sell. So I've kept the stock bearings that were in it. It was actually in really good shape. New oil pump since we're in there. One-piece oil pan gasket, BOP Engineering 2-piece Viton rear main seal, new timing chain, and decided to go with the 252H comp cam. Also installed comp 165 roller rocker arms. Proceeded to put on the large stage 5 turbo. Already had the big downpipe on it when I had it with the old motor, but one of the additions, since I was already in there and had the motor out, was to install, and it's kind of hard to see, the header system that I offer. Shorty headers with my custom made merge pipe coming up into the turbo to feed the turbo. You might have seen it before, and decided to go all out, start installing everything. It still has the water injection on it, all that good stuff. Addition, of course, is the Holley Sniper, but I do plan on offering this, or kind of do offer this as a kit, same as the Phytech. So you have your choice. If you want to go fuel injection, you can buy the kit from me, either a Phytech kit or a Holley Sniper kit. I decided to go with an external wastegate. So I have this external wastegate right here that's coming off of the up pipe that is delivering all the exhaust gases to the turbo. Okay, let's take a look at what we got going on inside. We have the awesome Walmart Dickies seat covers. We also have a lot of... So I've got a thermocouple put into the #1 intake runner on the intake manifold, and that's for measuring intake temps right here. We got the monitor here for the Holley Sniper, which is currently not hooked up. And then you look over here, can you see it up there? Got a pressure gauge right here with a copper line. That is actually going to my up pipe feeding before the turbo. We're measuring back pressure to see what kind of back pressure we have in the header system, you know, all the exhaust that's feeding the turbo. And that's going to tell us a lot as to what's going on as far as restrictions in the exhaust side. You know, with the big turbine wheel, I want to see what that pressure ratio is. You might have heard me talk about pressure ratio. It's a common thing that turbo guys talk about. But we're going to take a ride over to the dyno.
I know, I did the thing YouTubers do, but before you shoot me, think about this. You can see the numbers on his video right here. Thanks.